Happy Monday. Hindi kami nag-vlog kahapon. I know. Because why we didn't go to school today?
And I got germs.
I got germs. Where she got it from?
Riker's face.
Riker's face. No, Riker's hand. Let me show you. Show the guys your hand. Ayan. Meron siyang hand and mouth. Hand, foot, mouth disease. Pero yung kanya, nag-dry na. Si Harley, nahawaan na. Nakita ko na yung spots niya kahapon. So, hindi na siya papasok ngayon dahil hihintayin pa yan mag-dry. Ayan. I know, Harley. Sorry, Harley.
Hello.
Saan na ba? Konti pa lang naman yung kay Harley. Saan na ba yun? Ayan. Ayan, oh. Yan. Ano ba yan? Parang, ano ba? Tigdas ba yan sa atin? Hindi naman yata tigdas. Pero nilalagnat ka daw dito. Pero wala naman lagnat. Hindi naman nilagnat si Riker. And we'll see with Harley. Ayan o, nakikita nyo. Meron din siya sa, sa paa. So, hindi rin naman daw yan chickenpox. Hindi siya measles. So, hand and foot and mouth disease siya. So, hintayin, bago sila pumasok sa school ulit, hintayin mo na mag-dry yan kasi nga, contagious siya sa mga kids. So, si Riker nag-dry na, baka papasok na yan sa Wednesday na lang, hindi bukas. Yes?
Can we put it down?
Why?
Squid eyes. One. Squid eyes. One. Squid eyes. One. Squid eyes. One.
Poor ate got your germs. So what are we gonna do today? Ang cute nilang dalawa. Si Harley lang yan. Ayan, luto na tayo ng lunch, guys. Just cooking sweet potatoes. We'll just have it with, egg. Kasi mamaya punta naman kami kay mother. Ayan, mag-avocado ako. May kiwi din kami and some cucumber and tomato. Ayan lang si Harley. Si Riker nandito naglalaro. Pinapalinis ko nga sa kanya yung playroom eh. Riker! Can you clean up while you're watching, please? Hey, Don. Can you clean up while you're watching? Come on, baby. Because mommy's cooking lunch. Please. Thank you. Yeah. Clean up while you're watching. Thank you.
I'm still tired.
Oh, you're not tired. Sige na. Yan to, isa nagkakalat dito eh. It's warm today pero sobrang hangin sa labas. I'm gonna make smoothie, protein shake. I'll make some protein shake. Mamaya na ako gagawa ng juice ko din. Ng green juice. Hindi tayo gagawa sa pantry kasi puno na dyan sa ating Lagyan ko ng saging. Si ate nasa taas na nagsasampay. Hindi na tayo mag-lunch. Ewan ko lang kung mag-protein shake ba yun siya. Dami. Ito pala yung protein plant-based na ginagamit ko. Isoway. And then I put a tablespoon ng yogurt and coconut yogurt and some chia seeds. Si Harley nagkanta-kanta lang. Ayan. So good. May singer ako dito guys habang nagluluto. Ayan. So, yan yung kay Harley, kay Riker. So, lagyan ko lang sweet potato and egg. And yung akin may kiwi. Ayaw nila ng kiwi. Hindi nga ganun kaasim eh. So, kiwi, avocado, or sweet potato and egg yung akin. And mayroon akong protein shake. So, ang dami kong healthy fats and protein. Hey? Ayaw na rin nila ng avocado eh. Yan siya. Kuha talaga siya na upuan, guys. And mag-oorin niya tayo ako magluto. Palagi niya pinapalagi magluto. Right? But you wanna be a cook. You wanna be a cook alone. Harley loves sweet potato, guys. Si Riker not so much, pero not sure siya. Kainin niya pa rin. Lunch tayo, guys. Lagyan ko ng ketchup yan, mga yan.
Just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.
Naubos nila yung kanilang lunch, so it's so good. And they're just playing now. Nakanood na sila ng 2 movies, yung short troll movies. So yeah, bahay lang kami today because obviously, bawal lumabas. Hintay lang namin makauwi si Ben and then we'll go straight to Mom's. So nag-edit lang ako ngayon. And I'll probably make some green juice nakapag ano na ako. Laundry and tupi. We're going on a holiday so I'll be packing soon. Siguro alis na ni ate. Kasi Thursday alis si ate, diba? And 2 weeks pa naman. So I'll pack because we're gonna be away for 10 days. So 2 resorts yung pag-i-stayan namin dun. So it would be nice kasi first time namin mag-PG. Kasi pupunta sana kami ng Bali. Anywhere that's close, flight time lang. So Bali is 5 hours and then nakita ko is Fiji is 5 hours din. So yun. Kaya na-decide namin na Fiji na lang. Ayan, nandito na pala kami kay mother, guys. Dinner na tayo. Ang kanyang roast chicken. What happened with IE?
Honey, I just break a grandma's coin and I just break a grandma's coin.
What was that?
I just go
And why is she on swimwear? Why is she wearing betas?
Mama, wait, I want to sit down and have water.
Did you wash your hands?
And Granddad's 80th birthday card and doing all drawings after Granddad.
Oh, and just doing that coin, ano.
I know.
We have to wash your hands though before you have dinner.
And he loves the coins. That was Granddad's as well.
Good morning! Happy Tuesday! Happy Tuesday, you guys. Breakfast na sila. Pangalawang toast na ni ate niya yan. And ako, I'm gonna have my protein shake. Of course, bahay lang kami today, but baka, we go to the playground. We'll see. We'll see how we go. It says it's gonna rain, so. I can give you purple color, mommy's breakfast. Hindi, kailangan ko gumawa ng green juice mamaya.
Mama, I need some blueberries. Where are you?
Oh, okay. I'm just gonna go downstairs. Bye. Okay. Okay. Like that. Oh, where are you, Riker? Oh, okay. Okay, wait a second. Where are you, Riker?
I got
Try it again. Try it again. Tingnan niyo yung outfit ni Harley. Ang cute. Ay, ang layo niya. Na, yung skirt niya yung nakuha niya sa show bag niya na Gabby's house. Yan yung nakuha ko sa Timo. Oh. Diba na-occupy sila dyan. Ayan. Alas 10 na pala guys. Kuha tayo ng juice. Dahil wala na tayong green juice. What, baby?
I'm very hungry.
Oh, you're? Oh my gosh. Which one do you want? Ayan. Lunch na tayo, guys. So, ito yung aming chicken and sweet potato kami this time. And then, gumawa ko ng cucumber ko na may hemp seeds and soy sauce, balsamic, tsaka sesame oil, and chili flakes. Ayan. Here you go, Bobby. Umupo na kagad si Madam. And then, gumawa na ako ng green juice. So, maghahati ka ni David tatlo. Dapat sa umaga ko to eh. Kaso, nagawa na maaga. At least health is wealth. Now, so we gotta look after ourselves. Here. Soy sauce. Ay, soy sauce. Tuloy tomato sauce. May balik pa. Magba-blood test ako niyan this week. Kasi kakagaling ko lang sa sakit eh. So, nanghingi ako sa GP kong ang blood test.
Orange! Yay!
Sarap. Kain tayo. Ano ko dito? Pipicturean ko pa nga sana. Yung potato na purple. Bumili ako last time sa organic shop. Hindi ko pa na-try yung purple potato. Sorry. Don't play with the green juice, please. Green juice si Madam. Ito hindi ko makain gulay eh. May kapin. May kapin. Gulay, no? I'll take it. I'll take it of you. You're gonna play with it. Guys, hapon na pala. And si ate, dinrap ko sa mall kasi may mga binili siya for pasalubong. And pinadaan ko na rin siya sa grocery kasi nga may mga kulang ako. So, si Riker nga nakatulog. So, naghintay lang kami sa car. So, bumili lang ako ng aking mga cleaning materials. And, napabili siya ng ganito. Ito na lang din kakainin niya sa dinner. And then, mamaya, lutuan niya yung kids ng salmon because may dinner date kami ni Ben. Alam mo, wala na palang kanin. Nakalimutan na. Nakalimutan natin ng kanin. So, napabili ako kay Ben.
Okay.
So, yan. Peanut butter. Dairy free. Yogurt. Ayan. Wala na ako yung sa akin. Protein shake. Tsaka itong aking blueberry. So, ano yun lang. Nakalimutan lang yung rice. Sa ano na lang? Air fryer. So, ito na lang egg yung pinabili ko kasi meron pa naman dyan. So, ikaw, ito ka lang, mag-cheese platter ka lang, no?
Yeah. Luluto ko sa kalahati.
Si Riker tulog pa din. Mag-aalas 6 na. Ay, sarap ng tulog ng bata. Ayan, pagising. Si Harley nanonood ng TV and si ate nagluluto na. Ayan, nagluto siya ng kanyang brie cheese na may garlic and cherry tomatoes. Cheese platter. Asa na yung meat mo? Yung meat mo.
Ano pa na?
Oo nga.
Because we have meat pala.
Tapos ito, salmon sa kids. Salmon and rice sa kids. And then sa siya.
Masarap ang dinner.
Tikman ko. Kasi mamaya pang alas 7 yung dinner namin. Late na yung daming dinner dahil wala pa si Ben. Pauwi pa lang siya.
Appetizer pa lang.
Appetizer muna tayo. Nilagyan mo chili flakes?
Yeah. On the side lang, baka mamaya si Ben magpika din. Alin yung spicy, ano ba?
Ayan. Oh, parang hindi naluto, no?
Ha?
Hindi nag-toasted.
I know, right?
Nakita niya
But
yung
it says
TikTok
20
eh.
minutes.
Ha?
It says 20 minutes.
Nakita niya yan sa TikTok eh. You guys, get ready with me. Mabilisan lang to kasi alas 7 yung aming dinner and 6:22 na. So, kitampan niya kami ni Mr. And bukas, dinner namin with ate kasi uwi na siya ng Thursday. So, just have dinner with her tomorrow night. All of us, syempre. Dapat dito talaga kami sa Teppanyaki tomorrow night, pero kinancel ko na lang yun kasi gusto ni ate ng Italian food. So, mag-Italian na lang kami bukas ng gabi for her last night. And kami na lang event tonight, yung magti-Teppanyaki. So, this one will be our last date night for a while dahil wala na tayong taga-bantay, ano? Wala na tayong help dito. Which is alright. Because ang beses din namin nakapag date opportunity dahil nga meron tayong family. Like in the when we were in the Philippines and then dito. So very lucky na din, no? Because aminin nyo na, mahirap talagang mag-date dito ng mag-asawa sa ibang bansa dahil wala naman kaming mga yaya and pamilya na tutulungan kaming mag-look after ng kiddos, ano. I'm very grateful na din kasi kahit pa paano nakarami rin kami ng date night ni Ben dahil meron nga tayong family. So, yeah. Reality is not a lot of couples do date nights na dahil mahirap makahanap ng mag-aalaga ng kids. And most of us are here. I mean, yung mga kakilala ko is wala naman talagang family dito, no? So, kami lang talaga. Like, kami lang ang maaasahan sa kids. I mean, wala ka nang ibang maaasahan na mag-alaga. I mean, we're lucky enough naman na umuwi kami palagi every year sa Philippines, you know. So, we have lots of opportunities pa rin naman para makapag-date night mag-asawa. Ay, ang sakit-sakit na lang nails ko. Kailangan ko na talaga siyang ipagawa. Pero, pagbalik na lang ng school ng mga bata kasi hindi ko naman sila madala sa mall, ano. Nilipat ko pala dito yung aking snake plant. And bumili ako ng bagong plant dito sa room. It's the spider plant because supposedly those two are natural air purifiers. So, it's good for the bedroom. You put it on the bedroom. So, ayun, kaya nilagay ko sila dyan. Use this one. Ito, sa mga natatanong nito, I've got this from Rosefield. They have really good ranges of watches. And mura lang din siya. Hindi siya ganun kamahal. So, and it's very classy looking. So, dalawa na yung watch ko from them. Ayan, ready na ako. Kailangan ko na lang i-plancha yung buko sa baba kasi nandun yung aking Dyson. Bumili pala ako ng air straight, you guys. Kasi nga, it will be perfect for my hair. So, and then yeah, maganda nga siya sa aking buhok. So, ito na yung hair dryer ko / straightener.
about the others. You set my world on fire.
3-week birthday
Nandito na kami sa aming dinner, guys. We'll have here. We'll have teppanyaki here. Sobrang quiet dito, grabe. Walang katao-tao. So, ayan. I'll go with the platinum, guys, kasi may sashimi. Si Ben, mag-go tam siya. So, he can have my gyoza dumpling. Ang lakas lang ang music nila dito, guys. Ang cute, ang cute ng glass. Nag-order kami ng Greek liquor. Oh no, Pinot Gris. Sorry, Pinot Gris.
So this would have been full 4.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe that one had a booking too. Yes. So he'll have the gold package and I'll have the platinum. Ah, okay. So it's a bit, sorry, it's a bit more. Yan, sarap nito. And I got the sashimi si Ben. Dumpling siya. He can have the dumplings. There you go. Kasi di siya kumakain nito eh. Kain tayo.
I don't know what I'd do without you. Make me smile. What is it that you do?
Not like Aurora, I would much prefer this one.
Life was great till you added colors.
So we're going to the Bible
Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on
Babae pala yung chef namin, guys. Kala ko lalaki kanina.
You're my heart.
Ayan, ang sarap ng scallops.
I just wanna love you.
Ito na pala yung fried rice namin, guys.
Just wanna be with you till
My
we
scallops
grow
there.
old. Tell me you'll stay, or take me away.
Yeah.
I want you for myself.
Na yung chicken, you guys. So, luluto niya na yung steak. Oh, you did it! Oh my God!
I thought I was going to get a free coat.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay, or take me away. I want you for myself every single.
Tapos na kami mag-dinner date ni Mr. We're just driving around, you guys. Driving around the city.
reception, love.
I know, here.
Huh?
We had our wedding reception here sa Hilton.
You
Are they gonna renovate this hotel?
40 million.
Yeah, kasi ano eh, luma na rin yun eh. So this one pala, the Marriott, will stay there on Holly's birthday naman.
Yeah, for the Christmas pageant.
For the Christmas pageant.
Let me.
Maaga-aga kasi yung Christmas pageant nila dito. So November. Oh, it's in here.
Yeah.
Oh, this is where we had a ice cream.
Correct.
What cafe was that one? Argo, yeah.
Here we go. I'll come here.
Ben's just showing me the new office of our lawyer. Dito na yung
So
bago
it's the
niyang office.
green. See the tie room?
Yeah.
Next to that.
Oh, nice.
It's
Yes.
got the whole top floor.
So did you told him that we're just staying there?
Yeah, I told
Yeah.
him and his wife. Yeah, it's the top floor
top floor.
of that above Asian Fusion.
Yeah, that's nice. Because we're going to the basketball season this year. Ben bought a membership. Membership ba? It's called? Yeah, we bought a membership. 3 seats. Kasi ikakantungin lang naman namin si Riker. So we're going with them.
That's a
with
nice
the
building, isn't
our
it,
lawyer. Kasi they have 4 kids. And the 2 youngest is similar age as our kids. So, I mean, Harley is 6, their daughter is 6, and their youngest son is same age as Riker. So,
Dang, you should go. We should go.
sila yung kasama namin sa this basketball season.